Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and got some more sideways movement on it. The price did move slightly lower this morning, which is why I'm going to adjust this level of support down a bit more now that we have more data. So 255, definitely a very, very important level, and there's nothing really fancy behind it other than the fact of that is where the bleeding stopped this morning, and then you correspond that with the days from previous past, and you can see right there acted as support and right there acted as support. So there's a history here. There's a track record of buyers hanging around 255. Does that mean that they're guaranteed to stay there forever, and that the price can never break down below 255? No, of course not. There's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. But as of right now, it's very apparent that 255 does have people that are find that a good enough deal to want to buy shares, and that is what's creating that support right there. So that'll be the main level to watch going forward from the support side of things. Looking on the other side of things, as far as resistance levels are concerned, 267 going to be that key level going into Wednesday. It's kind of a double whammy, if you will. The first whammy of resistance comes based on the fact that that's just simply an area of resistance that I've talked about in the past. The other whammy comes, though, via the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. And you can see that both these are essentially valued at the same exact thing right now. The one dynamic, though, to keep in mind as Wednesday plays out is that purple line is a moving average, keyword being moving. So as time plays out, that line will move itself further downwards, and at that point, it'll take higher priority. So right now, basically, since they're both at the same value, they have the same exact level of priority. But on Wednesday, like I said, that line will move itself downwards and it'll get higher priority over 267. So just remember that going forward. All in all, though, good to see that the price at least started to go sideways here a little bit. Does that mean that this is for sure the bottom? No such thing as a for sure, but it's at least better than seeing the price put in some sort of new low or something like that. So who knows, maybe another bounce is taking shape. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.